teeth. What you eating, bud?
Mommy.
Is that an old cold French fry?
He's been eating them. He's had about 6.
Nasty, huh?
James, what you doing? What? You done eating them fries?
No, I did.
Make sure you got the backwash in there. It's Dad's favorite.
Loves those melt fries.
They're really disgusting when they're cold, actually.
He's been slamming them since he brushed his teeth. Not usually supposed to eat fries after you brush your teeth. There you go. that takes care of that. Alright, well that's 2 minutes in the day of James' life. Eating some French fries from Melt. This is February 5th, 2015. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No?